Hello everyone, we have finished classification of crystalline solid in last video. Now we are going to start a next topic of solid state, that is crystal structure. The ordered three-dimensional arrangement of particles in a crystal is described using two terms, namely lattice and basis. So, our discussing points are lattice, basis and crystal. Let's start lattice. Lattice is a geometrical arrangement of points in three-dimensional periodic array. To understand the concept of a lattice, here we consider the example of blueprint or housing plan on the paper. Any blueprint or housing plan is the hypothetical structure of constructing house in future. Blueprint indicates corners, windows and walls of house. When we construct the walls, place the windows and doors in their points or places, the hypothetical structure is converted into three-dimensional real house. Similarly, lattice is also a hypothetical structure which is formed by joining the points which arranged periodically in the space. These points are called as lattice point or the lattice sites. That is, the position which are occupied by the atoms, ions or molecules in the lattice, called as lattice points. Lattice represents the solid. How the repetition of a structure takes place. In other words, we say that lattices are nothing but a three-dimensional hypothetical structure which plays a role of blueprint for crystal and also decides how the molecules, atoms or ions are arranged in crystal system. Infinite arrangement of lattice points are possible, but in nature fixed lattices occur and they are known as Bravais lattices, which we discuss later. Let's move to basis. Atoms, ions or molecules which occupy the position of lattice points in space to form crystal system are called basis or motif. It means that basis or motif are the molecules or atoms or ions which occupied the lattice point in the space. For example, in sodium chloride, Na positive and Cl negative are known as bases. Similarly, in diamond, carbon atoms are bases. Now let's discuss about the crystal. Lattice and basis together form a crystal. In short, we say that sum of lattice and basis is nothing but the crystal system. Crystals are 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional also. I hope you like this information about lattice, basis and crystal. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel